Part 10 The Scheduled and Tribal Areas 244. Administration of Scheduled Areas and Tribal Areas. 1. The provisions of the 5th Schedule shall apply to the administration and control of the scheduled areas and scheduled tribes in any state. 1. States of Assam. 3, 4 ***** other than 2, the Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. 2. The provisions of the 6th Schedule shall apply to the administration of the tribal areas in 2 Tripura and Mizoram. 6. The states of Assam. 3, 5 Meghalaya, 244a. Formation of an autonomous state comprising certain tribal areas in Assam and creation of local legislature or council of ministers are both therefore. 1. Notwithstanding anything in this constitution, Parliament may, by law, form within the state of Assam an autonomous state comprising, whether wholly or in part, all or any of the tribal areas specified in 7th Part 1 of the table appended to paragraph 20 of the 6th Schedule, and create therefore a body, whether elected or partly nominated and partly elected, to function as a legislature for the autonomous state, or b. a council of ministers, or both, with such constitution, powers and functions, in each case, as may be specified in the law. 2. Any such law as is referred to in Clause 1 may, in particular, *_*1. The words and letters, specified in Part A or Part B of the First Schedule, omitted by the Constitution 7th Amendment Act, 1956, S. 29 and SCH. W. E. F. The 11th of January 1956. 2. Subs. By the Northeastern Areas Reorganization Act, 1971, 81 of 1971 S. 71, for the state of Assam, W. E. F. The 21st of January 1972. 3. Subs. By the Constitution 49th Amendment Act, 1984, S. 2, for, and Meghalaya, W. E. F. The 4th of January 1985. 4. Subs. By the State of Mizoram Act, 1986, 34 of 1986 S. 39, for, Meghalaya and Tripura, W. E. F. The 20th of February 1987. 5. Subs. By S. 39, Ibid. For, Meghalaya and Tripura and the Union Territory of Mizoram, W. E. F. The 20th of February 1987. 6. Ins. By the Constitution 22nd Amendment Act, 1969, S. 2 W. E. F. The 25th of September 1969. 7. Subs. By the Northeastern Areas Reorganization Act, 1971, 81 of 1971 S. 71, for, Part A, W. E. F. The 21st of January 1972. 143. 144 The Constitution of India Part 10. The scheduled and tribal areas 8 specify the matters enumerated in the state list or the concurrent list with respect to which the legislature of the autonomous state shall have power to make laws for the whole or any part thereof, whether to the exclusion of the legislature of the state of Assam or otherwise. b. Define the matters with respect to which the executive power of the autonomous state shall extend. c. Provide that any tax levied by the state of Assam shall be assigned to the autonomous state in so far as the proceeds thereof are attributable to the autonomous state. d. Provide that any reference to a state in any article of this constitution shall be construed as including a reference to the autonomous state, and e. Make such supplemental, incidental and consequential provisions as may be deemed necessary. 3. An amendment of any such law as aforesaid in so far as such amendment relates to any of the matters specified in subclause A or subclause B of clause 2 shall have no effect unless the amendment is passed in each House of Parliament by not less than 2/3 of the members present and voting. 4. Any such law as is referred to in this article shall not be deemed to be an amendment of this Constitution for the purposes of Article 368, notwithstanding that it contains any provision which amends or has the effect of amending this Constitution.